Welcome to Physics with Chris. In today's lesson, we are looking at wave displacement equation. Another example under wave displacement equation. The displacement of a wave traveling in the x direction is given by y is equal to 0.002 sine open bracket 500t minus 0.025x. Calculate the amplitude, frequency, period, wavelength, and the wave velocity. You recall the solution, and you recall that the general wave equation is given as y is equal to a sine open bracket 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x 2 pi x over lambda. This is the general wave equation. So if you compare this with this now, it means that your amplitude, if you compare this with the one that you are given, with y is equal to 0.002 sine open bracket 500t minus 0.025x. So if you compare the one that you are given, if you compare this with this, it means that your amplitude A is equal to this one. So in that case, my first one, A amplitude is 0.002 meter. So to get my frequency, I will compare this with this because this is where frequency is. Compare with this. In that case, I will have 2 pi ft is equal to 500t. I'm looking for f now. I'll divide both sides by 2 pi t. So f will be equal to 500t over 2 pi t. So you have f will be equal to t and t can cancel. This and this cancel. That will give me 250 over pi. Pi, you recall, is 3.142. It's a constant. So my f will now be equal to 250 divided by 3.142. That's the value for pi. Then f should be equal to 250 divided by 3.142. So that will be 79.6 hours. Then number 3. To get your wavelength lambda, you compare this with this now. Compare this and this together. So in that case, my wavelength, okay, number 3 is period. Period t is equal to 1 over f. You recall that period t is equal to 1 over f. That is t is equal to 1 over 79.6. My f is this. So my period will be 1 divided by, that will give me 0.0126 seconds. Then my wavelength, then to get my wavelength, I will compare this with this, which is lambda. So in that case, I will have 2 pi x over lambda is equal to 0.025x. So if I cross multiply this over 1, this multiplied by this multiplied by this, so I will have 0.025 lambda is equal to this, and that will be 2 pi x. Divide both sides by 0.025. 0.025 x lambda. There is this x lambda. So divide both sides by 0.025x. So my lambda will now be equal to 2 pi x over 0.025x. X and x will cancel now. So my lambda will be equal to 2 times pi is 3.142. 3.142 over 0.025. So my lambda will now be equal to, so you have 2 times 3.142 divided by 0.025. So that will give me 251.4 meter. Then the last one, number 5, wave velocity. You recall that wave velocity v is equal to f lambda. So my f is 79.6. My lambda is now 251.4. So you have v is equal to 79.6 times 251.4. My lambda v should now be equal to 79.6 times 251.4. So that will give me 20011.4 meter per second. So this is another example on wave displacement equation. More examples are still coming. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Maths with Chris and Physics with Chris respectively. Thank you.